Okay, so here I've got kind of a menagerie of items here. We've got some herbs, some flowers, some sage, and this is the area where I was really impatient and put tomatoes in. I'm not quite sure how I'm trellising them in this area yet. I thought about caging them at first, but I think we're going to put something together so I can do like a Florida weave and support those vines. Got Romas, beefsteak out here, and I think some early girls. Then we've got peppers. These guys were super, super tiny. But check this out. That's from the heat. That's what happens in Washington State when it gets warm out. I've got some kale that's kind of not really liking the warm weather. It's probably going to get eaten in salad and make room for more melon plants. Over here, this is like my kitchen garden, pretty much. This is the one that has like that A-frame design that I showed you. And this one pretty much is lettuce and a few cabbage plants and then a ton of strawberries. They are just about to hit. And then a weed. How nice. I'm really good at growing those. And some chamomile. And I'll show you the strawberries too. Lots of lettuce coming up. More peppers. What is that? Is that what I think it is? Yes, guys, I know you're there and you're hungry. Look at that. It's a pepper. Okay. More tomatoes, as you can see. All those varieties I was just telling you about. Along the back of our fence, we've got 4 huge grow containers of corn. This is the garlic and the onions. And these are the strawberries. Just kind of on the other side of this bed here. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. Okay, and then that bed in the center just has a mini trellis of peas, but we're actually eating some sugar snaps off of it already. Check this out. Look at that. They're so good. They're so sweet and crispy. Arugula that went to seed. It just got away from me in the heat. Some lettuce for dinner tonight. I've had a lot of people tell me you can't grow celery in the Pacific Northwest. Well, I usually grow it from starts. This was all seeded and the seeds did not come through, but those are starts I bought at the store. So I think what they meant was you can't start it from seed. So that's okay. All right, and then this is all my carrots. And you can see I've got raised beds here, but I've got some grow bins inside of them. We did this year because we had such a problem getting rid of this grass. You can see it growing up on the edges. We even burned it. It was so invasive and we needed to get plants to the ground. We improvised and just said, let's do containers. So there's that. And then back here we've got more of those delicious tomatoes. 3 different kinds of potatoes, also in a huge grow container. It's got different compartments. Yes, this broccoli went to seed in the heat too, but guess what? My chickens are going crazy for it. And we've got some melons, kohlrabi, pak choi, basil, another melon plant, tons of arugula. I think we're having a really big salad for dinner tonight. Fall squash, onions, and then look at those zucchini and cucumbers. Now these are the trellises that I showed you guys. They kind of have that tall A-frame design that we put together. I cannot wait until everything, these guys are just about actually ready to start not pulling them up, but growing them up the strings to attach, train them up onto the trellis. I can't talk today. I shouldn't be giving a garden tour. So this is it. And then there's our chickens. Hey guys, in our little coop. So that's it. This is our little 1/3 of an acre in Southwest Washington. I hope you have an awesome week and happy growing. Take care. God bless. Bye.